Yesterday there was a
Yes.
paper from
Yeah.
an Irish lady on the topic of poetry and globalization.
Poetry and globalization? Oh,
Globalization,
that's really very
yeah.
exciting.
You were there in that session?
Especially for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I attended that session too.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was really very happy with the presentation.
Yeah.
It was a very different and unique idea.
Yeah.
So people are thinking philosophically too in this
Yes, right.
harsh world. And I believe I'm a man of poetry too, and I would love to live in the world of dreams in spite of living into the world of reality.
Yeah, so far as poetry concerned, I am also very excited about poetry. And in the past, I used to compose poetry. I have poetic impulse. I read poetry from 16th century English literature, from 16th century to 20th century poetry. I did MA in literature, a BA and MA in literature, and later on I switched over towards applied linguistics.
You read Hamlet?
Yeah, Hamlet, all Shakespearean tragedies. Yeah, Macbeth, Hamlet. Yeah, Friars. You might have heard about Friars. He talks about dream. If you are scared of something, then you must have a dream. If you think a lot about something, you can have a dream about it.
Oh yes.
So, but the Gufran might have been
Yeah. Your point.
very nice dream, and the dream is more important, I am telling you, than reality. You see?
And really believe you me,
Yeah.
after every 5 minutes, landscape of my mind was changing with a new,
Actually, there are so many things which need to be explored by the human beings. We say that we are sleeping, but while sleeping, the mind is so active. Within fraction of minutes, it travels the whole universe. You see, you are sleeping, but your mind travels very fast. You are in Japan, you are with your wife, you are with your beloved.
Sleeping 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You see dream, maybe we'll explain, you take.
Yeah. So this kind of knowledge, the knowledge of the dream, the whole mystery of the dream, that needs to be explored.
REM sleeping and non-REM sleeping.
Yeah. What happens sometimes when I take up any topic, for research or for anything, I don't have the solution in reality.
Yeah.
But when I go for sleep, when I wake up, and I find a solution in the dream. I mean, the solution comes, in some forms.
And those dreams actually provides you with the required amount of oxygen to
Yeah.
breathing and
Yeah.
to keep on
Yes, right.
hoping and to keep on thinking positive and to keep on growing in life.
Yeah.
Without having any dreams, you can't move in life at all, even for 1 kilometer.
Yes,
You
right.
always need to have some reasoning behind it. And the most beautiful reasons always come through imagination.
Yes, right.
Imaginative world. And
Yeah.
the world of imagination actually bring things into phenomena of understanding through dreams.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yesterday, one of the participants, he was talking about the pleasant blend of mind and soul,
Oh my
but
God.
actually he couldn't explain it. Because a man of literature, he can better explain the pleasant blend of mind and soul.
Oh yes.
Mind is reasoning, and soul is literature. The impulse, the feeling, the pious feeling.
And in the time you don't create a good balance in
Yeah.
between these two things,
Yeah.
you would not be living life.
Your heart says that, okay, I should have a girlfriend, I should spend lots of money, but your mind says no, you can't do that. But the Quran, you can't do that because you have kids, you have wife. They will beat you when you go back. With so many evidence, they have enough proof to beat you.
Sorry, sir, I didn't ask you. Have you already took your presentation or when it is scheduled?
Yesterday I finished.
Oh, great. Great. So mentally you are all free. Relax and
But very short time. Only 15 minutes.
yeah.
Oh.